Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you post uh, on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you here. You go down, you just click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, when you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on allow. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your uh, device or your on your pictures to select pictures you want to add on your app. So that's all you have to do here. You just click on agree here or end album, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.